If you've ever felt energetically drained after talking with someone, or perhaps exceedingly emotional or really tired for no apparent reason, or perhaps you're drained every day from your stressful, demanding job, if any of that resonates, then my energetic protection steps will help lead you to living your best life every day. As you take my hand and we go through this journey together, you're going to learn key components to understanding and engaging your true self, knowing where the negativity is coming from. You're going to learn about the various components that you can mix and match into the energetic protection process. Then we'll go through my step-by-step process of how you can disengage from negative energy, bolster up your protective energy, and live your best life every day. If you're ready to stop that energetic emotional yo-yo, then click the button to begin. I look forward to seeing you in class.